My name is Lee King. I'm in charge of the Green Project in Kachara Forest Retreat. In a fast-paced city living, people have disconnected with Mother Nature. Children don't know where the vegetable comes from, and adults have forgotten the fresh fragrance of cut grass. Gardening is one of the most fulfilling activities on earth. It is actually a great getaway after a hectic day at work. Green living is a lifestyle choice. It is an opportunity to relax and stay in touch with Mother Nature. Mother Nature is natural. It is grass, it is soil, it is fresh air, it is sunshine. And in Kachara Retreat, we get abundance of it. And we want people to come here and soak it in. And that is true living.
I'm Max Stengel. I'm helping at Kachara Forest Retreat with the designing of healthy vegetarian food menus. Our vegetarian food menus are designed according a little bit towards the 4 elements: earth, wind, water and fire. We do cooking classes for individuals and families and groups, using the fresh ingredients from our garden, which in the first step will lead to people understanding what is freshness, where does it come from, harvesting it, and learning about the different ingredients in pure nature. Basically, eating healthy means having fresh produce, which helps to boost your metabolism, your intake and outtake, a lot of fresh vitamins you can't find in supplements, only nature provides.
My name is Julia. I'm part of the green team, so my responsibility is to take care of the garden, and my job is to make sure the garden is large and green all the time. We have to make sure these greens live harmoniously with the caterpillar, with the grasshoppers, so we don't use chemical as a pesticide. Even the ground, that we use only compost tea that we make by ourselves. Ten Rinpoche once told us before that all Mother Nature, like plants, insects, animals, even humans, basically come from the ground. And at the end of the day, when we go, it also goes to the ground. So now I understand and believe that if we want and to gain a healthy body and mind, the ingredients must come from nature and the ground.
我是谢松平讲法师，我目前是在克切拉禅修林绿化小组下工作，专门负责就是培养草药，还有我们的蔬菜。从我小时候的时候呢，我是在就是农田里长大，所以对大自然呢都感到很多的兴趣。在这里呢，我也开始专注种植草药，还有更多的健康的蔬果。我想让前来这里的人可以分享这里的蔬菜跟这边的草药的成果。还有我们也培植了很多的蔬菜的幼苗，还有花种呢。希望呢大家来到这里可以跟我们一起分享，同时呢也可以把这些幼苗呢带回家，跟自己的家人一起分享。
We are all conscious, and we are conscious of how important Mother Nature is to us. So transform this consciousness into action and do something for our Earth, our future and the coming generations. Come join the Kachara Forest Retreat Green Team and be surprised at how much you enjoy living a green lifestyle.
Please join us, our program, to use the Mother Nature, to use the herbs and the plants that we planted here, chemical-free and it's all natural, to benefit yourself.
So, how do you begin a greener life? Perhaps you had start at Kachara Forest Retreat. Sponsor a tree. You can plant a tree with your family or loved ones and have it dedicated to a brighter future.
by planting a tree and reforest this land.
For more information, please contact retreat@kachara.com.